When I think of color for shaded areas, my mind immediately goes to impatiens. They're a wonderful selection for shaded areas. However, there is a variety called Sunpatiens that does well in the full sun or partial shade. And if you're looking for something with vibrant, bright, beautiful color, look no further than the Sunpatiens. Now these come in colors, as you can see, from orange to fuchsia, pink, peaches, whites even, just every color of the rainbow that you can imagine. They're on this compact mounding form. These are annuals, so these are great for summertime. You can plant them in the spring after the danger of the first frost, and they will last and continue to profusely bloom throughout the summer into the fall until we have a really hard freeze. Now, they don't have a lot of issues, not a lot of pests or disease. Make sure that once they're established, you water them in times of drought, but these are tough guys that have this dark, beautiful foliage that again looks very tropical with all of these. Plant them in a mass planting and you can make quite a statement in the landscape. Again, impatiens, the ones that we typically think of, do well in the shade. However, these Sunpatiens can take all the sun you can give them this summer. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.